What's up YouTube? I'm Vaughn and this is the Gear channel where we discuss collectibles, hobbies, compare games from tabletop to video games. In today's episode we are reviewing the Yu-Gi-Oh! Deluxe size model kit Exodia Necross. So not like Exodia that 5 pieces are needed, this one has much more like 20 pieces. So where it definitely lacks in consistency in today's meta game, definitely makes up for it aesthetically. Now the market price for this figure is about $300, which is pretty expensive, but there is just a low amount of them in the market right now, so they are very hard to find. But with that being said, let's get building. And here he is, and he just looks amazing. Honestly, for a model that's almost like 20 years old, this guy still looks good. And the only thing you have to really be careful of is most likely the plastic, because over the time it's very fragile now, so it could break very easily. So if you are thinking of getting one, make sure you are very careful with that. So let's get a closer look. So let's bring him. We're gonna definitely take a look at that head sculpt because this just looks amazing. I just love it. Even the paint, everything, there's nothing for complaints. It's all set. And this is a pretty hefty model. It's not fragile, it's pretty solid. It's mostly like the joint areas where I say it's fragile, but pretty good. Definitely looks amazing. There is some articulations, like for the arm, there's ratchets for both of them. They really can't move that much. There's a waist swivel. The legs don't really move though, so if we take this, now they're mostly stuck into place. Even not really the feet. So it's mostly just the arms, the waist, and I believe like the head. Well, it's very tight, but not really. So mostly just the arms. And also to get it like standing really right, you're going to have to always put it with his knee sticking out. Now with that being said, let's do a size comparison. As you can see, he is still a little bit taller than Obelisk the Tormentor, but let's see how he sizes up compared to the other god cards. Here he is side by side with the Winged Dragon of Ra. Now he is a little bit smaller only due because of Ra's wings, but still there is still a decent amount of size compared to Necross and Winged Dragon Ra. Now let's check our final god card. Here he is next to Slifer the Sky Dragon. As you can clearly see, there is such a huge difference in size. Slifer is huge. Now, Exodia Necross is pretty big. I would say it would be the second biggest one compared to all 4 deluxe size models that I have. But definitely for upcoming reviews, I am definitely going to be reviewing Slifer the Sky Dragon. And that's it for the size comparison. And that's it for a Yu-Gi-Oh! Deluxe size model Exodia Necross. If you guys enjoyed today's episode, you know exactly what to do. Like and subscribe. And if you guys want a sneak peek of future products we're planning on reviewing on this channel, you can always follow me on my Instagram, VaughnGear. I'm Vaughn and this is the Gear channel.